In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BambooHR for beginners. We'll start by logging in. Open your company's BambooHR URL, sign in with your work email and password, and you'll land on the home dashboard. This is your command center. On the left, you'll see the main areas: home, people for employee records, hiring for applicant tracking, inbox for tasks and approvals, reports, time off, documents, and settings for admin controls. Take a moment to click through each one so the layout feels familiar. If you're an admin or part of HR and need to add someone new, head to People and select Add Employee. Enter their basic details like name, email, hire date, job title, department, and employment type, then save. BambooHR will create their profile automatically. Next, set up onboarding to guide their first days. From the employee profile, open onboarding and add tasks such as signing the handbook, uploading IDs, completing personal information, filling out required forms, and scheduling time with the manager. Assign each task either to the employee or to HR or the manager so responsibilities are clear. For documents, go to Documents and choose Add Document to upload contracts, company policies, and sign forms. If you want to streamline repeat paperwork, use templates and e-signature forms to build reusable, signable documents. Time off is where employees submit PTO. As an HR user or manager, open time off, click the request, and approve or decline. The system updates the employee's balance for you. If you manage accruals, set the rules and time off settings. BambooHR stores a complete record of each employee, including personal information, job and salary history, training records, emergency contacts, and dependents. To make updates, go to People, open the employee's profile, and edit the fields you need. For recruiting, open hiring and add a job opening. Enter the title, description, location, and hiring manager. Then post to job boards like Indeed or share the link. Track candidates through stages such as new, screening, interview, offer, and hired so the team stays aligned. When it's time to send offers or collect signatures, open the applicant or employee profile, go to Documents, and send items like an offer letter, NDA, contract, or policy acknowledgement. E-signature templates make this fast and consistent. If time tracking is enabled, employees can clock in and out on the web or mobile app. Admins can review time tracking, approve time cards, and export for payroll. To analyze data, open reports and run pre-built reports like headcount, turnover, time off, salary, and demographics, then export to PDF, Excel, or CSV. Finally, manage who sees what in settings under access levels, setting permissions for employees, managers, HR, and admins. And make a habit of checking your inbox daily for approvals, requests, tasks, onboarding items, and signature reminders. That's it. You're ready to navigate BambooHR with confidence.